So this is our first lesson to understanding Java 8 streams. Before going to any topic, first we need to understand is what is stream? What exactly is a stream? So stream is basically a sequence of elements and they all can be processed together. Okay, so it is just a sequence of element that can be processed, but how they can be processed? In a declarative and functional style way. Now what do we mean by declarative? So declarative and imperative are programming approaches. Now in case of imperative, we use like conditional loops and all to process our data, whereas in declarative we use pipeline of operations. So it will be like one function after the other or one method after the other, they will be called to get the desired result. So that's the declarative way. We will see a lot of examples. We'll be using our method pipeline to process the stream, and that will make things understandable, like what do we mean by declarative. Now functional style way is we will be using our functional programming advantages like lambda expression, functional interfaces to achieve our result. Okay, we will discuss about that later. Now stream is a abstraction layer on the source data. So basically it is an abstraction that allows us to perform operations on a collection of data or on the data structures like arrays, IO channels, right? So basically the data source could be Java collections, arrays, or any IO channels like files, right? And on top of that, stream is just an abstraction layer on which we will be doing our operations. We will be performing our operations and then we'll be getting the desired result. Now remember that stream does not modify the underlying data. The source data will not be modified. Only the abstraction layer on which stream is created, that will be getting modified to get the desired result. But the underlying data source is never ever modified. Now in the further lessons, we will be discussing a lot more about stream, how it works, what are the intermediate terminal operations, how those operations are performed, and then we will see lot of examples going forward.